is going to be an unboxing of the Cotsoco neck massager. And this is kind of what it looks like. Let's take a look at what's on the box. Got just some description about it. Some of the features here: independent thermostat hot compress, intelligent timing shutdown, high capacity lithium ion battery. And then it uses TENS technology as thermostatic hot compress and ergonomic design. On the back here, you've got some specific instructions, the diagram of the product and how you charge it, turn it off and on, a few instructions, precautions, then how to use. So all that is on the back here. So let's open this up, because this is an unboxing. And there it is. Probably some cables in there. Yep, so you do get your cable, pretty long cable, micro USB is how it charges that battery. And then you have your user manual, so you know how to use it properly. Box out of the way. And then this is the device itself. So it's looks like those are obviously these are the nodes, and so it uses a TENS technology as well as electrostatic type of technology. You can see the neck thing is on hinges, so it can get wider to fit anyone's neck. This outside is made up of like just a hard shell plastic. The inside has a softer kind of rubberized finish to it, so that it will sit comfortably around your neck. And you've got your buttons here. This is a plus and a minus, so I'm guessing intensity, how intense you want it to be, increase or decrease. And then here you've got your, what I'm assuming is going to be the power button, and then another button, probably that's to switch from an automatic, it says M, so probably to switch to manual mode. It probably has like automatic programs built into it, or you can switch to manual mode. And I'm going to guess that's probably an LED light indicator there. But this is it. It's a pretty small device. Just fits around your neck and helps massage those neck muscles, which if you're like me and carry your stress in your neck and your neck is tight and sore all the time, then definitely a device I am looking forward to putting to use. Anyway, this is what you get in the box. You get the manual, you get the micro USB cord to charge it, and you get your neck massager. And that's what comes in the box.